Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Basic English and Vocabulary, a way to improve yourself. So, today's our topic is about articles. A, an and the are called articles. An article is a word that describes or tell more about the noun. It is used before the noun. Articles always used before the noun. And what is noun? Noun is a thing, is a person, and is a place, are known as nouns. Articles are of two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite article means indicate to general things, persons which are not particular, not specific. Definite articles means particular things which are specified, which are particular in nature. Like we take an example, when I said this is my computer, so I am specifying here this is my computer. But when I said this is a computer, here I am not specifying whose computer is this. So I can say this is a computer. So indefinite articles majorly used a and n. Definite articles used the. The next thing is use of a. A always used before singular countable noun. Singular means one and countable means like 1, 2, 3, which can be countable in nature. So like we take an example, this is book. So as I said before that we use a before singular countable noun, but here I do not apply here a. So this is a wrong statement, because a book is a singular thing and it is also a countable. So I need to apply here a. These are our books. Here noun is plural. Why books are plural here? These are not one, these are more than one. So we cannot apply here a. This is a book. I can say it because it is a singular countable noun also. So this statement is correct. The next one is that noun should begin with a consonant. Where we are applying a, that word should be begin from consonants like P, B, C, D, F, whatever. All the consonants you can apply here. So we use a before all the consonants. The next one is sometimes it is also used before a noun with a vowel, but it has a consonant sound like U. When I said university, so here the sound of U. In Hindi we can say when we pronounced it university, so here U is not a vowel. Here U is a consonant sound. So we cannot say an university, we said a university, because here the sound of U is not consonant. So we must take care of the sounds too when we are applying articles. V. Here O. When we are talking about 1 rupee note, so it is starting with the O. So you will say ma'am, here we will apply N, but no, here the sound is V. So we will not apply here N, we will apply here A. The next one is use of N. Used before a singular countable noun. As we studied in the use of A, it is also similar as for use of N. The next one is that noun should begin with vowels. N is also applicable where N vowels are applicable, like apple. Apple is starting from A, which is vowel. Orange, inkpot, these all are vowels. So where the word is beginning from A, we will apply here N. An orange, an apple, an inkpot. The next one is sometimes it is also used before a noun with a consonant, but it has a vowel sound. So here like we study an example NMLA. M is starting from a consonant, but while we pronouncing it, it will sound like MLA. So M sounds here from E, M. So we will apply here N. And NSHO, S. Here S also starting from a vowel sound. So we will apply here also N. Here a short tip for these words. MLA and SHO are the abbreviations words. So always used N before abbreviations which are starting from vowel sounds. Take care of it. The next thing is, it is also used where H is silent, means her. Like we say it, honor, honest, honorable. So NR, when we pronounce R, so we are saying R, not har. So here we will apply N. The next one is N honest. Here also we are saying honest. It is starting from O, which is vowel, but H is silent here. So honest is pronouncing from O, which is vowel, and we will apply here N also. Thank you. That's for all today. We will meet again very soon in our next video.